Hi, good day. This is Ulysses, and this is going to be my presentation explanation telling you why my credit repair process has guaranteed results. So, this presentation will explain how my process works through simple understanding of the legal credit repair processing. Now, all right, let's start with the basics. What is my credit repair? Or let's say you will be asking this question so that you will asked if my credit repair process safe to the consumer's credit profile. Yes, it is. Because my credit repair process is using FCRA laws. What is the law that is being violated in the situation of the credit profile of the consumer? Then we're going to file the complaint, and then everything is being filed inside the federal website, Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, so that every steps and the process of the credit repair service will be protected by the federal. So it is safe and it is using the ruling of the law. That is my credit repair. When is my credit repair start its process? My credit repair start when the consumer agreed, sign an agreement, allow me to conduct a repair process on its credit profile after it complete submitting the requirements, creating CFPB account for its protection, submitting the non-disclosure agreement that I signed and he signed for, and then the proof of address and driver's license and social security number is submitted, then we'll start the credit repair processing. Why need my credit repair service? My credit repair service is needed because this is the correct way of processing a credit repair. This is following the ruling of the law, the reason why credit repair will always have a guaranteed results. You will know it in the next pages. Where is my credit repair process conducted? My credit repair process being conducted inside the federal website. That's why you are obliged to create an account in order for you to monitor and check in everything. And also, federal is protecting at the same time. While when doing the credit repair process, it is protecting the consumer credit profile. So whatever moves in there that will give a negative impact to the consumer, federal will be detecting it right away. Will stop the process, will stop whatever is in doing and then notify the consumer. So the protections is always in there. The safety of the consumer is always assured in my credit repair processing. Now, how my credit repair process works. My credit repair process works by understanding what is credit repair, what is the tools that should be used in credit repair processing, understanding FCRA laws, how it will be applied to the consumer, what are the right bureaus that will be processing each of the step of the process. That is how my credit repair process works. Just a quick logic regarding about the credit repair industry. So the analogy is there is a credit application. You showed your credit profile. In your credit profile, they find out that there's delinquent, there's derogatory, there's collections. Your credit score is not qualified. You're not qualified for a credit. After that, you as a consumer, you just found out that there is inaccurate information in your credit profile. Data that is not true, data that is giving you false information, the reason why your credit score is not qualified or your scores is lower than your scores that should be in your credit profile. So you as a consumer will feel unfairness to the credit industry. It is not following an order, or there is injustice about that, right? But have you not think ever think or ask questions, why not government, federal, whoever is to whom it may concern, should not solve it right away, that credit profile, all the data information of a credit report of all consumers in the US should always have a correct information and will not have a possibility that there will be any accurate information inside in the credit report. So in that way, all the credit report will be accurate, all the information will be true, and there's no need for a credit repair service, credit repair industry, credit repair processing, right? Because that is really possible, especially now that we are in AI era. Even if AI don't exist yet, data information can be accurate because we are using. The reason why I'm confident that it will have a guaranteed results, this package that you see right now in front of you, because they are programmed and patterned by the ruling of the law. So, in how to do a credit repair process, you need to understand the US law specific for credit, which is FCRA, that is Fair Credit Reporting Act. The purpose of this law is just to ensure accountability in the consumer credit reporting data, the accuracy, the fairness, the privacy, in order. That is the existence purpose of the law, so that there will be. So when you study FCRA laws, it's easy to identify what our law is being violated when you've got inaccurate information, inaccurate data in your credit profile. You will be confident to file a complaint. But the complaint that you will be filing, because you are a consumer, you should be filing it to the correct bureaus, which is CFPB, Consumer Financial Protection Bureaus, from the word Now, in your credit report, your accounts, the creditors reporting the data to the main credit bureaus, the Experian, the TransUnion, and Equifax. If you are identifying inaccurate information, inaccurate data that you think that is being violated or violating an FCRA law, then the three main credit bureaus is mandated also in accordance with FCRA law to conduct an investigation if there is a complaint. And also, they are enforcing the creditors to respond from the complaint with evidences. So, they have. And here comes the CFPB. The mandate of the main credit bureaus is under FCRA law means it will be enforced by these bureaus, the Consumer Financial Protection Bureaus. So it is being enforced to make the credit bureaus conduct the investigation of complaint. That's why the correct way in filing complaints, filing disputes, because you are a consumer, you should file your disputes to the CFPB so that CFPB will do their job to protect you as a consumer in your financial using the FCRA laws. So FCRA laws will be enforced and it will be make the credit bureaus conduct the investigation as its mandate. So once it's conducting their investigation, then your your complaints has grounds that there is really a violation happening accordance with the FCRA law, then credit bureaus will enforce the creditor to respond from the complaint that you filed for them. With evidences, with supporting documents, they should be responding. So, because it is a law, it is following the fairness, the accuracies in order. Of course, the creditors have also given time to respond from the complaint they're complained for. And with that, if they cannot respond according to the correct time frame, they cannot submit evidences, then according to the law, the negative accounts that you are disputing for should be deleted in your credit profile. So when a credit repair specialist doing a credit repair service in your profile, of course, the expected results that we're going to have is to have a positive credit records, removal or correction of the negative items, getting a higher credit scores, getting qualified for a credit application. What work being done in there is to make those negative items being deleted in the credit profile. And these are the delinquent, the derogatory, the collections, the inquiries, and the bankruptcies. Those are the negative accounts inside in the credit profile, the reason why your credit scores is not high. So